Today I'd like to talk to you about the 5 most severe claims you're likely to experience as a school. Thanks to Philadelphia Insurance for providing their information so that I can talk to you about it. Let me go ahead and list them off for you. 1, wildfire. 2, water damage from a pipe burst. 3, fire, all causes. 4, wind and hail. 5, weather from plumbing freezing. If you'll notice, this list sounds a lot like the previous list. So I've been talking a lot about the risk triangle, which is you're going to have a lot of close calls or small events throughout the experience of your organization that don't lead to anything. You just wipe your brow and say, thank God nothing came out of that. Got a little cold in the building, but nothing happened. Thank the lucky stars. You're going to have a lot of those situations. And then you'll have a few that you pay out $5,000 to make some repairs. Maybe you don't tell the insurance company because you don't want to make your rates go up. Then you're going to have a few larger ones where you say, man, I'm glad we had the insurance company to pay $50,000. And then every once in a while, at the very top of that triangle, there's going to be $300,000 paid out because you had a terrible cooking fire in the kitchen and the fire spread and there's smoke damage and you had to shut down the building for a period of time. The whole idea is that if you can make that whole pyramid smaller, have less of the frequent claims, you're going to have less of the severe claims, which are really going to disrupt your operations. And in terms of ideas on how to deal with this, a lot of it comes back to maintenance of your facilities. You know, once a year, walk around your facility, look at the roof, look at the places that are collecting water or ice or leaves, and think about, do we need to repair sidewalks? Does the roof look like it needs to be redone? Does the exterior still look good? Because well-maintained buildings are resilient against weather storms. And pay attention to what's going on in your pipes, because pipe bursts are so terrible and they happen really frequently, and you can prevent them a lot by using water flow sensors, keeping track of the temperature in your pipes, how the water's flowing. Make sure that it doesn't result in a pipe freeze when it gets really cold all of a sudden in your facility. And fires are usually a result of smoking, cooking, or electrical fires. So if you take good care of your electrical, you have good practices in the kitchen, you're going to prevent a lot of fire claims. I hope this helps think through the 5 most severe type property claims you're going to experience as a school, and gives you something useful that you can put into practice at your program to prevent claims in the future. And if any of this has you asking questions about your program or your broker relationship, and you'd like to talk to somebody with experience in your field, please reach out to us and request a quote at www.bitnerhenry.com. I'm Darrell Henry with Bitner Henry Insurance Group, and we serve those who serve others.